Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day. I review token, I talk about solid projects, shit coins you can invest your money in, coins that are doing massive numbers on coin market cap. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. We are currently 4,720 subscribers. We can hit 5,000 before the end of this week and 7,000 by the end of this month. And I know it's very possible with your support. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Back to back, I'll be dropping a lot of content, guys. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be reviewing a project quickly this morning. And the name of this project is called Tails. So this token is down 10.96%, and I'll be trying as much as possible to give you guys all the information I can get on this token. This token is very undervalued at the time of recording this video. Currently on the watchlist of 2,459 people built on the Ethereum blockchain. The name of the website is tailstoken.com, which I'm going to open a new tab. From the chart, you can see that this token has gone down. It has gone down. Check the last 7 days. There's a point this token climbed during the last 7 days, but currently it is down. This token is actually not valued. It's kind of new. A lot of people don't know about this project, but then I'll be reviewing this token and telling you guys my honest opinion about this. So if you check the overview, you see Tails is an ERC20 token aimed to build a strong game-based community. There is Tails emulator game built into the website, and we are releasing NFT that is into the game that allows users to battle and earn ETH. We are creating a Sega game alliance with other video game tokens as well. Part of our token economics help us increase liquidity by adding part of the sell to LPI, which makes it a reflection token, right? So this is a game token, a reflection token, and they according to what they said we're giving Ethereum, giving Ethereum when you're playing the game and stuff like that. So I'll check the official website and tell you guys my opinion about this token. I'm trying to load the official website. It did not open. Tails token. Let me check.com. This is supposed to be .co. Well, this website is not opening, so I need to get another review to assist me, because I cannot finish this review without checking the website. I don't know if it is network, so I'll copy this Ethereum contract address and go to etherscan.io. Right. The another thing I can do is I'll have to go to knowledgeappexpert.com. Knowledge App Expert. Let me see. I think they've done a review on Tails token too, so let me use Knowledge App Expert review. So Tails token is one of those coins I want to do a review on. Guys, you can go on to knowledgeappexpert.com to actually check reviews of tokens so that you can get more information about those tokens. So if you are just knowing about this coin and frantically doing your research in hope of investing, or maybe you are already an investor, this review is for you. Let's move. Okay, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial expert, not responsible for financial decisions. Okay, that is there. So the website, I struggle to get access to the website. Okay, exactly. So the website connected to CoinMarketCap is not working. I've been able to now get access to the official website now. Okay, good. So from here now, I now have access to the thanks to knowledgeGapExpert.com. Okay. Home, about, download, roadmap, token economics, your details. So every grant token begins with a series of small ideas. They are combined into all-inclusive one. At Tails, we wanted to change how investors see the concept of crypto projects by offering a simple and user-friendly ecosystem they can trust. Our team of incredibly bright-minded individuals have dedicated an immense amount of time and effort to ensure that you invest in a safe and secure 100 years liquidity locked. Wow, 100 years liquidity locked. Okay, these people are not here to joke. Tails, the white paper, the website, Knuckles G Sonic. Tails was created with the community in mind. The developer had a vision of building an ecosystem that rewards the community and also creates utility and NFT, right? And the metaverse. The Knuckle is the next token launch in the ERC20 ecosystem being developed, when others of Tails and Knuckles will be able to stake their token and NFT to earn ethereum. Okay, then the final and the rarest token of the trilogy has arrived. This token gives you the right to vote on the future development and gain access to other benefits, which is G-Sonic. Okay, I from the website, there's a roadmap here. The website launch, successful fair launch, influencer partnership, CEX, centralized exchange listing, white paper release, smart contract, team expansion, legal entity formation, online market expansion. Okay, the token economics, they have 1 quintillion token, they have liquidity locked, no team token, 2% reflection. Yeah, when they give back to the community, it means it's a reflection token. I said that earlier. Then from here you have your details. They're also on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. The website is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not like it is like one of the best I've seen. It's just an okay website. From this website, I've seen through what they are trying to offer to the community. I feel they are actually serious. For them to lock liquidity for 100 years, it shows that these guys are actually ready. They don't have plans to rock pull or scam people. That is what I feel. Then if from what I've seen here, they have given you guys some information to show you that this token is definitely going to be a token that have utility, and I feel it is not out of place to put this on your watch list, and if possible you can invest a little money on it. But I have issue, the token supply is too much. Like, they have too much of this token. Look at it. There's a place I saw it. The liquidity is locked for 100 years. The token supply is 1 quintillion. I saw it somewhere. 1 quintillion. That is too much. Like, it's too much. Maybe it now depends on how soon they are burning, the number of the quantity of token they'll be burning, and how they intend to burn them. Then that will now also play a role. But from the information I've gotten so far, the website might not be looking like one of the best I've seen, but the information on the website, they look like the community or the developers know what they are doing. That is what I can say about the website. I feel the information of the website is not out of place, it's not outrageous, it doesn't look scammy. So I'm just going to take time to review this token, by copying the contract address and going straight to CoinMarketCap. Right, I'm going to copy this contract address here. Then I'm going to see the website I got information on this token is tails-token.com, not the one they put on CoinMarketCap. This one they put on CoinMarketCap is not working, it's not going through. So if you take this contract address and you take it to Etherscan, and token sniffer, like I always do, we can get summary of what this token is about. Let me alight load on token sniffer. Just a second. Okay, I'm back to this again. I hate this. Okay. Alright, so while I'm waiting for this to load, I've taken this contract, I've taken it to token sniffer. Tails ether scan. Okay. 60/100 medium risk. Let's see. The token is sellable. Buy fee 10, sell fee 10% tax. Verified contract source. Ownership renounced. Creator not authorized for special permission. Wow. They have 31.47 ethereum that has been locked or bought. Creator wallet contains less than 5%. However, among the others wallets, there's a particular wallet that has a substantial amount of this token. I'm going to check this on Etherscan before I conclude. I don't know why this is always popping up on my computer screen. Oh, wow. Let me just hope this thing doesn't frustrate me today. I can quickly continue my job. Okay, it has opened. I'm just going to go on Etherscan to see. From token sniffer, I've gotten the information I want. I'm going to give you guys my conclusion. I don't know if I remember to tell you guys that this is not a financial advice. It's majorly for educational purpose. You can go on to do your own research and stuff like that, blah blah blah, blah. But from Etherscan, you can see this token tails. A lot of people, at the time of recording this video, people are not really buying this token. Guys, permit me. It's just 4:24 a.m. Just woke up. Let me check. Yeah, address. Let me see. Number of people holding the token. And let me give you guys my final conclusion. I'm done with this video. Like, there's some tokens that you review that before you go far, you already know where your opinion about the token, but just for you to just check through to see if everything is consistent before you now give your final verdict. And this token happens to be one of those tokens. Okay, this particular contract address is holding 5.51%. That is not good. This one is only 6.7. Apart from this, every other person is holding less. Now the issue I have is, if somebody is holding this much of this token, if that person dumps, there'll be problem. If 1, 2, 3 contract address dumps, another problem. So from the information I've gotten so far about this project, Tails token, my final conclusion is Tails is not a scam. It doesn't look like a scam token. The liquidity has been locked for a long time. They have enough liquidity. The website, I've checked the website. They should update their website on CoinMarketCap. Actually, they have potentials. It's a game token. They want to create an NFT marketplace. They look like they have clarity of direction of what they want to do. What else again can I say? The only issue I have is that the quantity of this token is too much. Very, very plenty. Look at it. They will need to burn a lot of zeros for people to begin to see the value of their money. Like, for people to begin to see the token, go up. Like, the zeros are just too much, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Apart from that, I feel this token, if it's from the angle of being a scam, I don't think it's a scam. But I'll advise you to do your own research before you invest your money, and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button turn my bell post notification on. Permit me, this is my first interview as I woke up, so I'm a little bit sluggish, but then I'm sure with time I'm going to bounce back and the energy will come back. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I do another interesting content. And basically that's it.